Hey, what's going on? More free value. It's your boy Waliek. Waliek Pays coming at you. And I want to drop this on you. You can start this. Pretty much how to make probably like an extra $10,000 a month during football season. As we know, football season is finna start. I think watching this video, the first game is going to be on the 6th. With the Atlanta Falcons going against the Philadelphia Eagles. Go Falcons. But this is a great time. Right now, in my where I'm at my day job, everybody is talking about their fantasy league, FanDuel, what are their picks and all that stuff there. So this is a great time. To make some money for free. This is what you do. Follow these steps. First thing you're gonna do is go to blogger.com. Start a blog or WordPress. Start a WordPress blog. A nice, easy name, something with football in it, something like that there, football, pigskin, or whatever, something along them lines or whatever. And what you want to do is, any news that you get, put it on there. Anything, updates on games, who won, who didn't win, who got in trouble, who got suspended, who failed a drug test, all that stuff there. I mean, all the news that you're finna hear from now on is going to be football. You can even make one designed specifically on your team. You know, your team's going to be playing every week. Make one specifically on your team. You can still talk about your team, who they're going to be playing next week, and so forth. Make a blog post just about every day. Definitely on Sunday. Definitely on Monday. And definitely on Thursday. Those are the 3 top days where games go on right in the football season. All right? Do this. In the mix of this, you want to make you an account with ClickBank. ClickBank is always going to have some betting offer, some betting product dealing with sports. Get those banners, get those links, put them all around the blog. Go to MailChimp. Get you a quick email service. Make you a quick sign-in box. Put it on the side. Hey, sign up so you can get updates every time I drop a new blog post. Especially if you know you're not going to be blogging every day. You know what I'm saying? Do this. Put this link. Put it on your Facebook. Hey, check out my new blog. If you're having trouble keeping up with your with what's going on, check out my blog every week that I'm gonna be putting up. Go to a couple of sports groups in Facebook. Hey, I don't know if I can post this here, but hey, check out my blog. This will gain traffic. You know what I'm saying? This will gain traffic. Go to Pingler.com. Every time you write a new blog post, ping it so it goes out, so Google can crawl it with its spiders and search engines so it can come up. You will start getting traffic immediately. All right. These if you're a member of a CPA a CPA network, there's always betting things on there, FanDuel and what have you, and which will pay you. So you can use this. This is great information, man. This is not hard, and it doesn't take a long time to get done. So if you're into making money real quick and you're into sports and you want something immediate, do this. Watch this video again. All right, y'all take it easy. I'm giving it to you. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. All right, and if you go out and you do this and you make a blog, comment the link of your blog below, man. For real. Let's go. Peace.